I have Dolly with me right here. Her paw is still broke. Hey, baby girl. Y'all, Dolly sings. I'm gonna show y'all exact. Ah! No! Oh my gosh. Like, that could have went so wrong. I just saw my earlobe like going into, like, did y'all see that too? Do y'all want to hear Dolly sing? Because she sings. Now, y'all cannot make fun of my singing, okay? If you make fun of my singing, I will never do this again. So, check this out. Dolly! I hope she does it on camera. Dolly! Yeah, girl, sing. Yeah. Dolly! I don't know any other dogs that do this. She is singing, you guys. Like, she goes high when I go high. Dolly! This is like the cutest thing. I do this every day. We practice her singing every day. Oh my goodness. She's just the cutest. She's bad AF, okay? But she is so stinking cute. Dolly! How is that not so cute? Like, I can't even stop doing it, you guys. I don't even know, like, how it happened. Like, how I discovered that my dog is a singer. Y'all definitely have to hit that subscribe button. My dog just sung to y'all. Y'all better hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And while you're down there, go ahead and click that thumbs up too, okay? I'll wait for you. I'll be right here. Hey dolls and gents, I'm back. I'm filming on my vlog camera again because y'all really loved the last video. Some of y'all were going crazy in the comments though, but it's all good. I know that a majority of you are here for me and you show so much love and I really appreciate it. So today we are doing a video all about this hair right here. I am rocking a full lace wig from GHAIR. And this full lace wig I've had for I think like 2 months now. So lately I've been into rocking my hair for a few months before I actually come to you guys and give you a review, so you know exactly how the hair works, exactly how I feel about it. And you're seeing the hair not straight out of the box, but after I've washed it many of times and worn it many of times. I have applied this wig with tape, Got2b glue, elastic band method, so I've done it all. Today I'm going to show you how I apply my full lace wig without tape or glue and how I rock it in this little ponytail right here. I think it's super cute, especially for summertime and vacation when you don't feel like dealing with your hair. Like, a ponytail is everything. So again, this is a full lace wig from GHAIR. This is their loose deep wave texture and this is a 1B color. So I did go in and bleach the knots on the frontal portion of this wig so it would look as natural as possible when I part it, as well as wear it back like now. I did pluck the unit as well, but it did come pre-plucked, so it did look pretty good, but I still went in and tweezed it a little bit and added new baby hairs to the unit. So I really love the way that this unit turned out. I had been using it with the Got2b glue method, but I actually applied the elastic band today and I love the way that it turned out. I completely forgot how easy it is to apply a full lace wig with an elastic band. So I highly recommend, if you have a full lace wig, go ahead and add an elastic band to it to make your life easier if you're taking your wig on and off at night. The adjustable straps really help. I also use the wig comb in the back, but I never use the wig combs in the front because one, I don't like the tension that it causes on my natural hair, and two, I just feel like it doesn't really do a lot. That's just my personal opinion though. It's not as high maintenance as curly hair, and it's definitely not as low maintenance as body wave. I don't really have to do much with this hair. I like rocking it in a ponytail on days that I don't feel like co-washing it, but when I feel like co-washing the hair, I definitely love rocking it all the way down in a middle part and also in a little top knot. It looks so good, like a top knot and the rest of your hair down. Oh my gosh, you've probably seen me on Snapchat with that style with this hair and y'all were like, girl, yes, your hair looks bomb. I have been talking for entirely too long, so let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So here is the wig. I've worn mine so many times, so it probably looks so like crazy on the inside. But I did install an elastic band right here so I could rock it glueless. As you can see, I do have a little bit of got2b glue on here from the last time that I installed it. I do like applying this wig with the got2b glue method. Like, it just looks so flawless, but on days where I don't feel like adhering it down, I have this elastic band and it does keep the wig nice and secure in place. The wig also comes with 3 wig combs, 2 on either side, 1 in the middle, and also 1 in the very back here. It also has adjustable straps so that you can make your wig fit as tight as you need to on your head. So the first thing that I like to do is go ahead and take the adjustable straps and I just literally cross them. I literally just cross them together like that. After that, I take the elastic band that I installed and I place that on the back part of my nape of my head. So once that's secure on the back of my head, I go ahead and pull the wig down in the back. Then flip the hair over. Clearly, I'm not gonna wear my wig like this. No. I'm gonna pull this back until it's in a place that I like. So I'm gonna keep going. So my hairline starts right here. That's where I start to lay my wig. So the elastic band definitely keeps the wig down like here, but on the sides, it does not keep your wig in place. So I do like to go in and lay the baby hairs, and that kind of helps to keep the wig secure in place on a daily basis. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my ears out. I'm actually gonna fix this, there we go. On both sides, I have to pull my ears out, there we go. So I normally like to style my hair first and then do the baby hairs, but honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna style my hair today. So I'm gonna go in with my got2b glue. I like the black one. It's a fresh bottle. I haven't popped this baby open yet. Something about a fresh bottle, right? Just applied a little bit to the back of my hand. I've already cut baby hairs in this wig, so I'm just going to pull them down, as well as the little sideburns over here. I'm gonna start shaping my baby hairs. I use a combination of my toothbrush as well as my fingers. And I take the next section and start sculpting out the baby hairs. You can do your baby hairs however you like to do them. I normally like to do this before I do my makeup because it tends to pick up the makeup with it, but for the sake of today's video, I'm just showing you now. So there you go. This side, it doesn't look bad, but when you get to the ear tab, it doesn't hold down. So this is just the way that I like to mold my baby hairs, so it also keeps my wig down and in place for days that I don't use it, like on the full lace, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna do the same on this side. So this hair looks really good down, but I think that I want to rock it in a ponytail. So I'm gonna take my Design Essentials foaming wrap lotion. This is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna take a few droplets of it, and I'm going to put this all over the front of the hair so I can lay this hair down and smooth it back. I'm gonna go ahead and put this baby in a ponytail. And you can do a high ponytail, but I normally prefer to do a low one. So now we have a pony. This is literally how I apply my full lace wigs majority of the time when I do not feel like adhering them all the way down. So you can still rock them in a ponytail. Just make sure that you get those baby hairs down with some sort of gel that will mold and like stick to your forehead, because you never want your wig slipping back. Like, no, Y'all know I got my wig snatched off before. That is never happening to me ever again. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, the video is still up on my Dolly Unedited channel, so you could go check it out. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more hair tutorials, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye. By the way, I already have a makeup tutorial for this look. I know y'all are gonna ask. Be sure to check the description box down below. I will leave a link as well as a card up top for you guys. Also, the last video that I posted was a makeup tutorial. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So if you want to see that, go ahead, click the box right here and it will take you straight to the video.